Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you've been following this series, you've learned how to do a single crochet and a double crochet, and today I'm going to show you how to do a triple crochet. This is what it looks like here. So I've just done one row of triple crochets and now I'm going to do a second row. So I'm just going to chain one to turn my work. And now you can see on the top, excuse me for the coughing and weird sounds. Suddenly I'm doing that and I could re-shoot this, but I'm not going to. So turn my work. Now I'm going into these stitches on the top here. So a triple crochet is, for a double crochet you yarn over once, for a triple crochet you yarn over twice. So I've yarned over twice and now I go through my stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, and now I've got four loops on my hook. I'm going to yarn over and pull through just two of them. And now, wait a second. Now I've got three, so I'm going to yarn over again and pull through just two of them. And now I've got two, so I'm going to yarn over and pull through all of those. So that is one triple crochet. I'm going to show you that again a couple times. So it's yarn over twice, go through the loop, yarn over, pull up a loop. So you have four loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through just two of them. Now you have three, yarn over, pull through just two of them. Now you have two, yarn over, pull through those two. So that is your second triple crochet. So yarn over twice, go through your stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop. Now you've got four loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through just two, yarn over, pull through just two, yarn over, pull through just two. And you can see it's called a triple crochet because you do that 3 times. So yarn over twice, go through, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through two, yarn over, pull through two, yarn over, pull through two, triple crochet. And we're going to do that again. So just yarn over, pull through two, pull through two, pull through two. So yarn over twice through the stitch, pull up a loop. You've got four. Yarn over, pull through two, yarn over, pull through two, yarn over, pull through two. The more I keep saying yarn over, it doesn't sound like it's making any sense, so I'm just gonna keep doing it and hopefully it will make sense. So the last stitch is sometimes hard to find, but I found it. Alright, so I finished the row of triple crochets. Now I'm going to chain one, pull this, cut this off, pull this out, and those are the triple crochets, and I will show you in comparison to the doubles. Now these are the same number of stitches, so these are the same numbers of stitches. I've done 12 stitches for each of these, and it's just based on the different stitch you use, it's gonna look different. So these are single crochets, double crochets, and triple crochets. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please subscribe, and a big thank you to anybody who supported my channel. Thank you so much. If you'd like to support me, you can check out my Ko-fi page. The link is in the description under Buy Me A Kombucha. Thank you so much.